Hi, welcome to my creative corner, Stamping with Miss Puff. Today I want to go over a quick tutorial on how to do reverse imaging or mirror imaging like I did with this stamp set, Happy Tales. And this stamp set can be purchased in Stampin' Up! Occasion catalog that's coming out January 3rd, 2019 to June 3rd. So what I'm using to create this reverse image is the Stamparatus, which can also be purchased in the Stampin' Up! Annual catalog. You're going to need a silicone mat. And I'm using a clear D block. I'm using Memento black ink and Rea Red ink. And so we'll start out with our little imaging, the puppy, the doggy from in there. And we're going to place it on our silicone mat. With the Stamparatus, it comes with two magnets, pretty strong magnets to keep your work in place from moving. So you'll keep the spot there. So I'm going to just pick that up. And also you're going to need some paper. This is with the white cardstock, and this is just 3 3/4 by 2.5. So I'm going to go ahead and ink up that image. And the Stamparatus is nice in case you don't get every spot. The imprint doesn't come out. You could re-ink and pretty much get in the same spot. So I'm going to probably ink this up 3 times so I could get a crisp impression. And although you got that mess right there, it doesn't transfer over on your work. One more time, get more in focus. Okay, so with that, I'm gonna get his collar and do that in Rea Red. Let's close my ink so I don't make a mess. And then look, this is on the silicone. You turn it over and you get that reverse image. So you're going to get your cardstock, put that down which area, then you're going to get your magnet, put down to keep your work in place. And then I'm going to, the silicone mat you could kind of see through, bring him here to the edge of that, place him where you like him to, the imprint would be. I'm just trying to press down so it don't smudge. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and clean my stamp off. Put my magnet on the opposite end, and this is nice where the Stamparatus comes in. You just line, I'm going to just line the tails up there a little bit. Then this is where I want the other imprint. Others are sticky. Make sure it's still where I want it. Yep. him up. And come and put his color on him. And there you have it, the reverse image. All right. Please share, subscribe, and like. Leave comments below. I'm going to list detailed information on the products that I use, and I may come back and do a tutorial on how I created that card earlier. Thanks for stopping by. Happy stamping.